Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, there are no JREs installed in the workspace that are strictly compatible with this environment. Right-click Properties. Click Java Build Path. Click Libraries. Select JRE System Library. Click Remove. Click Apply. Select Module Path. Click Add Library. Select JRE System Library. Click Next. Check Workspace Default JRE. Click Finish. Click Apply and Close. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.